Hello everybody and welcome to this video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the wing mirror, so driver's side, passenger side is basically exactly the same, on a Mark 7 Ford Transit. So if you've gone a bit close, down the side, lost your mirror, and you're like, man, I need to get a new one, this is how we're going to do it, okay? So here we have the mirror, this is the indicator, which mine's come off, so I'm actually going to fix this while we're doing it. So get that bit there. What we're going to need to do is like and subscribe to the video and to the channel. So there's obviously lots more bits and bobs that we will find out from that, so that'll always be good. Do that now while I go get some tools, okay? So we need to get off these 3 clips. What you want to do this is you want to get like a pick or a really small screwdriver, okay? And what we're going to do is we're just going to pick it off. Make sure you know where it goes. I'm going to put this just on top here. Whoop. Number 2. And then under here. Number 3. Now they do seem to fire off quite fast, so let's be careful about that one. And then inside there, you can see, what we can see inside here is 3 8mm. And what you want to probably get next, this is a quarter drive, okay, with an 8mm on it. So I'd probably use a quarter drive, but if you haven't got a quarter drive, you'd probably still be alright getting in a 3/8, but a 1/2 inch, you're not going to get in there. So what I want to do, I want to crack that off. I'm going to take them all the way out yet, just crack it off. Number 2. Yep, crack it off. And then come off. Number 3. Crack it off. There we go, starting to get some movement. Now we'll always take the ratchet off, yeah? So then you can spin it with your hand, and this way, when you get to the end and you know it's not in anymore, you can just remove it really slowly. Just like that, alright? So you get to keep it, just like that. So it's got a bit of corrosion on here as well, so always got to be careful. So that's one. Same on this one. If you're finding that it's obviously not coming off with your fingers, you're going to need to use your ratchet until you can do it finger tight. And then pull it out. Number 2. What we'll notice here, oh yeah. And then with the top one, it's like this one's a bit tighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it attached. Yeah, and pull it all off together, just like that. And obviously what we've got attached down here, this is for the indicator. Okay, so we'll take that off. So we've still got this attached into here like that. Alright, so that way when you put it back together, you can just line it up from there. So there we go. We'll take it out for now. So that's basically it really. So simple as that. We'll pretend this is the new one. Here we go, look at this lovely new one we've got here. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to reinstall it. First things first, what you want to do when you're doing it back in, as I said, right, get that on there. Pop it in the top one, yeah? Put it in here like this, okay? Offer it up, make sure that cable does not get lost for the lights. Poke that through there. And then what you want to do, obviously if you reconnect your wiring if you've got it, if not, put that into there. Line up that first one at the top, yeah, just like that, so it's nipped, and then get these bottom 2 again. You can see in here really easily. There you go, that's lined up nicely. You can line them up, you can see it, make sure it's square, get it in there, finger tight. Next one. Have a look, line it up. Start it with your fingers. That's it. Nip. 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 And then we'll get our 3. These 3 covers. So they're really just like a push on cover. When you push it on, push it on, push it on, push it on. And then if you haven't broken yours, like mine is broken because you can see the tags have snapped, Just reconnect that. There's only one way it goes. Slot that back in. You've got yourself your new mirror sorted out. Simple as that, guys. So do it yourself. Buy it from like car parts, Euro car parts, or your local provider. eBay probably do them as well. And basically that's it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.